Come with me to another open house. Today's open house is at 3769 Prestwick Drive, Los Angeles 90027. This area is known as Los Feliz. My name is Victoria Munoz. I'm a Compass real estate agent and I do buyer property tours for buyers looking to move to Northeast LA and adjacent areas. So today we're in Los Feliz, and this home is offered at $2,590,000. I usually do the property tour of what's nearby first, but if you stay to the end of the video, I took a drive around just so you know what's nearby. So I can't wait to show you this property. It's a huge home, so let's start the tour. Okay, let's go check out the open house. This open house is 3769 Prestwick, and it's Kenneth Hunt of Master Realty. Let's just figure out what's the main entrance. There's the main room. This house is huge. The views from the third floor, and it has an elevator. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. This is my YouTube channel, Living in Northeast LA. I'm Compass Real Estate Agent Victoria Munoz. I'll see you at the next open house.